This video will demonstrate how to create a PowerPoint presentation. This video will also show students how to create a presentation using a software feature within Google. For starters, I am using a Mac. However, Microsoft Word for Mac and for PC is typically identical depending on the year. The only difference between creating a PowerPoint using Microsoft Office between a Mac and a PC is opening up the program. So for my computer, my icons are on the side and the P lets me know that this is the Microsoft PowerPoint. I can click on it and have this appear on my screen. If I had a PC, I would go to the Start menu, click on All Programs, find Microsoft Office, and then click on the program PowerPoint. Ultimately, whether you have a PC or a Mac, once opening up the program PowerPoint, your screen should look identical to my screen. Creating a PowerPoint is very simple. First, you will want to choose the theme or template of your slides. As of now, I have chosen a blank template simply because this demonstration will be a basic tutorial as far as how to add new slides, how to change your layout, and how to add animation. Each template will begin with the title slide. And as it says, to add your title, you will click in the space provided and then add your title. To add a new slide, you will simply click on New Slide. Now, by clicking on this drop box, the arrow of the drop box, you can choose what kind of slide you want to add. This means if you want to add a slide that has two contents, you will choose this one, opposed to if you only wanted to add one content, you would choose this one. I chose the one with two contents to demonstrate what content is and what you can add within PowerPoint. And so you will add your title for the specific slide. And let's say you wanted to have text on this side and then a picture on this side. These links are watermarked, but by hovering over them, it will let you know what you can do. The first one, which is an icon of a picture, tells you that you can insert a picture from a file. The next one tells you that you can insert a table. The next one tells you that you may insert a chart. The next one tells you that you may insert smart art graphic. You may also insert a movie from a file, but the movie has to be saved on your computer. And also you may insert a clip art. Another way to insert a picture is by browsing a website, saving whatever picture you want, copying it, and then pasting it. Another way to insert all the things recently mentioned, you can use the toolbar at the top. Simply click on Insert and then choose exactly what it is you want to insert. Whether it is a new slide, a duplicate slide, slides from other presentations. If you needed to change the layout of your slide, you can simply click on the layout and you can see all the different layouts that will allow you to change the layout. To add animation to your slide, simply click on Animation. Highlight over the section you want the animation. And choose the animation of your choice. Sometimes you might have to adjust the duration. I chose the blinds animation, but when I previewed the animation, it went really fast. And so I may choose to adjust the duration by clicking on animation options. I would like my blind feature to last for 0.8 seconds. Another cool feature within PowerPoint is transitions. By clicking on transitions, you simply choose the transition you wish for that particular slide. We'll do the same for slide number 2. And since I've chosen a blank template, I'm going to go ahead and choose a template. Now, if you do not like the colors within the template that you have chosen, you can easily change. One click has changed the entire theme of my slides. If I do not like the colors, I can go to Theme Options and change the colors. In order to view your slideshow, you will want to click on Slideshow feature at the top. You can choose to view your slideshow from the current slide you are on or from start. You can also press F5, and F5 should begin your slideshow automatically. When presenting your presentation, if you are using a computer that has the setting for 2 displays, you can post notes here. And during your presentation, on your screen, you will be able to see each slide with the notes, while your audience will only see the entire slide and not your notes. But this is only if you are presenting on a computer that allows you to have a setting for 2 displays. I am now going to show you how to create a presentation using Google if you do not have Microsoft Office. So we are going to go to the internet and log into our Mount Olive email address. There is already a tutorial to show students how to access their Mount Olive email account. The link to that tutorial will be at the bottom of the options on this video. So I am logged into my Mount Olive email account. At the top of my screen, I see different labels. I want to click on Drive. Google Drive allows you to do numerous things. However, this tutorial will only focus on creating a presentation within Google. This software is free as long as you have a Gmail account, which each one of you have because our Mount Olive email account is linked with Google. Our goal is to create a presentation, so we're going to click on Presentation. That will then take you to this screen. The cool thing about creating a presentation within Google Drive is that you can save your presentation as a Microsoft Word document, meaning that you can save it as a PowerPoint and you will be able to open it up in PowerPoint. Another cool thing is that you can share your document with other people, and there is not a limit to how many people you can share your document with. Each person that has access to your document can edit the document. Students can also view the document at the same exact time and interact with each other using the chat feature. The toolbar is very similar to the toolbar within Microsoft Office. I think Google's goal was to be as simple as possible so that it will not be hard to navigate. So in order to add a new slide, you would simply click on the plus button, just as in Microsoft Word. Another feature, just like in Microsoft Word, is that if you want to change the layout or add a new slide and choose the layout, you will click on the same similar drop-down arrow feature. Notice that they do not show the pictures of the slide, but this will be a title with 2 columns, a title with only 1 column. Another thing that Google Drive does is that it saves your file automatically. So if you pay attention to this area, every time that I add something, delete something, it will update and say currently saving or all changes saved in Drive. This way, if the computer ever turns off or if the power ever goes out, all of your progress will be saved. In order to change the theme within Google Drive, you will simply click on Theme and where it says Change Themes. Now, of course, the themes will be different from the themes in PowerPoint because they are created by 2 different people. So we're going to click on this theme and press OK. One con about Google Drive is that It depends on internet access. As with Microsoft Office, you do not need to be connected to the internet to create your presentation. With that being said, if your internet connection is slow using Google Drive, you might experience some slowness. In order to insert a picture, you will click on Insert. It will give you a list of things that you wish to insert. Image, a video, word art, a shape, a table, new slide, or even important slides. The same exact features that Microsoft Office provide you. As far as transitions, if you want your slides to have a specific transition, you will click on Transitions and the options appear on the right hand side. So we're going to pick the flip one. And as a Microsoft Office where you can change the duration, here you have an option between slow, medium, or fast. You can choose to apply to all slides or simply apply to that specific slide. I chose apply to all slides. Click play and it shows you how it will look. One thing you cannot do in Google Drive that you can do in Microsoft Office PowerPoint is add voice to your presentation. There will be another video demonstrating on how to add voice for your presentation. So to save your presentation, you will want to go down to, and when I say save, I mean to pretty much export it out of Google Drive, because remember, all changes are saved pretty much every 5 seconds. So you'll want to go to File, Download As, Microsoft PowerPoint. So this makes it equivalent to PowerPoint. So if you needed to add a voice and you just liked the features or thought it was easier to use Google Drive, you will be able to use Google Drive first and then open it up in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can also save it as a PDF document. Saving a PowerPoint as a PDF document just simply gives you PDF slides. It takes away the animation and the transitions, but all the other information and content is the same. Please note that you do not have to download it as Microsoft PowerPoint in order to present your project in class. Once in class, you will log into your Mount Olive email account, click on Drive, and it will be saved within your Drive. And you can simply click on Present and present it directly from Gmail.